In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Premium in Google Docs on your desktop. Grammarly can be a game changer for polishing your writing with clarity and confidence, so let's dive into how you can set it up and make the most of its premium features. First things first, ensure you've installed Grammarly through a browser extension. This works with major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Having this extension is crucial because it's what allows Grammarly to integrate seamlessly into your Google Docs environment. If it's not already set up, take a moment now to download and install the extension appropriate for your browser. Trust me, this will make your life much easier when editing. Once you've got Grammarly installed, open up Google Docs and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Navigate to the document you wish to work on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. You'll notice a small Grammarly icon popping up in the lower right corner of your Google Docs screen. This icon is your gateway to enhancing your writing instantly. Clicking on this icon will open the Grammarly sidebar. The sidebar is where the magic happens. It displays any issues or suggestions Grammarly has for your text. Here's where the premium comes in handy. While the free version checks for basic grammar and spelling mistakes, Grammarly Premium goes a step further by offering advanced suggestions on clarity, engagement, and delivery. This can transform your writing from good to outstanding by ensuring each sentence communicates exactly what you intend. As you type or edit your document, Grammarly will underline mistakes or opportunities for improvement. It's a very intuitive process. Simply hover over or click on the underlined text to view Grammarly's suggestion. You can then choose either to accept the recommendation to instantly improve your work or dismiss it if you feel your original text serves your purpose better. A neat feature available with Grammarly Premium in Google Docs is the Goals feature, accessible via the sidebar. You can set specific parameters for your document, like your intended audience, the level of formality, the tone you're aiming for, and even the domain. This personalization helps Grammarly tailor its suggestions to best align with your objectives, ensuring that your writing not only looks polished, but also resonates with your readers as intended. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of Grammarly Premium to refine your Google Docs writing process, stepping up your communication game and making every document shine with professional flair.